Boyum IT Solutions is coming to a city near you. Boyum is taking its experts on the road again this year, with implementation and pre-sales workshops scheduled throughout 2020 at locations across Europe, the US, Latin America and the APJ region. These courses feature both basic and advanced implementation workshops for Bayas Manufacturing and Progimex WMS, Bayas Manufacturing pre-sales training, and comprehensive workshops covering our horizontal solutions. These sessions will be hands-on workshops led by Boyum consultants and product experts who will share their knowledge and expertise and show attendees how to put this to good use immediately in their implementations of SAP Business One. Every consultant that attends will not only benefit from a real advantage in their approach to SAP Business One projects, but will earn 10,000 points towards their Boyum partner status, standing them in good stead to increase their partner margin on all Boyum products. Visit boyum-solutions.com/world tour for details of courses and agendas and book your seats on the partner portal now. Boyum World Tour 2020. Get enabled.